Hello guys!
We wanna go to Dahok.
Now we are in Old Bazaar. We come to drink nice coffee. We come to Zafa. Go inside. Just look at here. Oh. Very old bridge. It's more than Zafa Castle. And this is the view of the castle. Tonight we wanna stay in hotel. This is just entertainment. Now we come to Zafa.
Take care. Bye.
Hello guys, good morning. Today we have planned to go to another beautiful cities. We want to go to the Dahok and Zafa. I haven't been there before. This is my first time. I want to go and visit there. Let's go and visit there together and enjoy our trip.
At first, we wanna go to Dahok, the capital of Dahok province, which is 117 kilometers from Erbil. We arrived in Dahok, but first we wanna explore the city and then we will go somewhere. Do you know that the root of the word Dahok was formed from Diyako Kibir, the first king of the Median Empire?
From Erbil to here, it takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And as you see now, we are in Old Bazaar. Let's see what they have. Actually, we didn't buy anything and we come to drink nice coffee.
Here you go, this is the mix of pomegranate and lemon. After drinking our juice, we want to go to Zaho.
Speed trap reported ahead.
Bazar kedi. Okay guys, we come to Zafa. Now we come to the Old Bazaar up here. It has very beautiful
Architecture.
Let's go inside. Look at the stone. These doors.
As you can see, we have a cafe and restaurant at the entrance.
Just look at here. Oh, I love it. It's so amazing. Just Jonathan.
Let's a little talk about this bazaar. This bazaar is more than 140 years old, which was restored to its original form and is still being restored. Here has 130 shops where you can find handicrafts, clothes, coffees, and etc.
Mira que lana salsa acá. Okay, lana salsa acá.
hotel, we visited old bazaar, and now we decide to visit other bazaars. Let's go together. The bazaar of Zaho is big, and you can find everything in here. I just show you a small part of it. In Zaho, and we came to Dalal Bridge. It's a very old bridge. It's more than 1,500 years old. This ancient bridge was built in the form of the engineering, and in the distant past with stone out the river Khabur and connects the two sides of the city.
عادي.
The length of the bridge is about 115 meters. Its width is about 5 meters, and its height is 16 meters. Let's walk a little around the bridge. Tourism services have been provided near this bridge. The city of Zaho has many historical places as well as summer resorts and mineral water springs. We are in Zaho, and now we go to visit Zaho Castle. Still they repair it. Let me show you. This is from outside. They repair it. The government of Kurdistan want after renovated this historical and old castle that has more than 1,000 years old, turn it into the museum. It's the original. They repair it from the old profile of the wall. The weather gets dark, and because of that it's not so clear. And this is the view of the castle. Okay guys, we search Zaho, and because it gets dark, we couldn't search the castle so much. I just take some video for you, and we search a little, and after that we come back to Dahok. From Zaho to Dahok it's about 1 hour. Tonight we want to stay in hotel. We want to go to this hotel. Here is the lobby. This is our room. This is toilet and bathroom. And this is the room. Let's see the view. And this is the view of the hotel. And now we want to go to a restaurant, and from hotel they introduced us this restaurant, and now
You wanna go? We wanna sit in here. This is just entertainment. Look, it's a lunch. This is my food, biryani, with two kind of stew. And this is the other dinner. It was good, but last night was so better. And now we come to Zar. Yeah. We did some shopping and now it's midnight that we decide to visit Mount Zava. You can see the lights of there, and from there I think you can see all the city. Amazing. Just I really recommend to you that if you come here, you come to the Zava mountain and see here and visit here. Just wait and look. Just look. You can see all the city from here. Oof. There is grass. Thank you guys for staying with me. I hope that you enjoy. Now we want to go back to hotel and sleep because tomorrow I want to go to a special place. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye.